will show you how to make a citation for a book. So the first thing you need to do is click on the title of your project to open it. And then once you're in there, you're going to click on New Source. We are thinking about a physical book that you hold in your hand, so you're going to click on Print or In Hand, and then Book. Now, you can simply fill in each of the blanks in the form down here, or it's a little bit quicker to import using the ISBN. Now, the ISBN you will find, if you're holding the book, you can find it usually on the back cover by the barcode, or if you open up the book, you will find it on the verso of the title page. But another way you can look it up is if you go to our Destiny Discover and search for the book, then you can find it here as well. So I'm going to cite the book Tracking Tortoises, and what I need to do is click on it and then say View More Details, and then when I scroll down, I see the ISBN right here, and I can actually copy that, and then I'll go back into NoodleTools and make that bigger so we can see, and I'm going to paste that into this box. And it really doesn't matter if you have these little hyphens in there or not. It should work either way. So I've got my ISBN in. I either typed it or copied it in, and then I click Search. And you should see the book right down here. So this is the correct one, so I'm going to click on that and then scroll down and say Import Selected Source. And just sort of double check to make sure that everything looks okay. And then I can click Continue. And you'll see that it has now filled in the boxes for me, so I don't have to do that myself. And I can scroll down just again to double check. And then I'm going to click on Save. And you'll see now I have my citation in right here as a book. And that's all there is to it.